All right, guys, welcome back. It is a nice muggy day for me here, a little bit cloudy. It's been kind of raining off and on, and I got a really dirty vehicle. I need to do a quick wash. And what do we do with quick washes? We do waterless washes. And today I have a little special treat for you. Envoke, they have finished their final production on a few of their products. They're rinseless and they're rinseless plus. It's their pro products. Let me just show you guys, because I know everyone's been waiting for this. These are the best rinseless washes that I've been able to touch and been working on. So hang on, let me find them. I'm looking in here. I got so many Envoke bottles, but I had set them aside for you guys to see right here. So we've got the Rinseless Wash Pro. These are 1,000 to 1. All right, this is the dilutions ready to go for you guys. And we've got Rinseless Wash Pro Plus that has SiO2 in it. Whoo, this is a bad boy right here, you guys. But today we are gonna try the Quick Detailer and Waterless Wash. Now, this is pretty good because you use this in between your washes, right? You know, good for show cars, good for maintenance washes in between. Brings out your gloss, your shine, slickness, adds hydrophobics to it, and you can use this as a drying aid. All right, so very cool, good for fingerprints, light dust, and some washing. Anyway, let's put this together. Let me open it up, and you want to let's see what it smells like. I know they tell me this all the time, what scents they are, and I'm terrible at remembering, and I don't write anything down. But damn, that's good. That's a nice blueberry, and trust me, it's not blueberry, but that's good. All the scents are fantastic. So let me show you the car. I've got this on here. I got a couple towels. I got some light colored towels so we can see the dirt. And let's go through the experience. I'll show you the car here. All right, so you guys saw the car. Let's get this. Let me get my towels. If you want to check stuff out, it's over in Australia. I don't know that they're shipping. I don't think they're shipping to the US yet, but just be ready for when they get it done. You know, there's tariffs and stuff going on, tariff things that are hindering some of these detailing products. I don't know the ins and outs of it, but be ready for when this hits the market, because it's going to blow all your detailing products out the water. Envoke, carcare.com.au. All right, let's go. And if you're in Australia, well, you can definitely get it over that way. Or somewhere close to there, I'm sure you can get it. I don't know what's close to there. They're out nowhere. All right, guys, let's start off first. We've got our clean towel. And let me tighten this here. Let's get the sprayer on. And let's spray. This is a pretty dirty hood. I'm gonna give it, the smell of that smell is fantastic. All right, so we got the towel. Wow, it is just slick wiping it. I like to turn the towel a little bit. Woo! Listen, guys, this is a dirty hood. Wow. All right, so here's the towel. Good amounts of dirt on there. Here is the dirty part, and then you can see right here where we cleaned it. That was very fast. The slickness is fantastic. Look at the cleaning power. Wow, very, very nice. Excellent. All right, you guys, let's work on this here. Let's do a 1, 2, 3 sprays. We'll spray the towel. These sprayers are fantastic. It's a nice wide burst. And let's get it going. I'm gonna go in a direction like that. Look at this. This is ridiculous. This is caked on right behind the wheel here. Look at that. So if in this case, normally I go around about 4 sides. I'm not gonna go around 4 sides. It's just too dirty. I'm gonna have to switch it up here. And you know what? Let's give it another couple sprays here because it's just so filthy. And let's, Oh yeah, that's nice. All right. So even something as dirty as this, we can still clean, and we're just gonna take a little more precautious steps there. So there's the dirty towel, and here is the clean panel. It's just butter smooth slickness. Wow. All right, so let me bring you in and let's show you. You can see we were cleaning, and look at the huge difference. It's just so caked on right there. We had to go over it with two sides of the towel, and there is nothing wrong with that. We didn't get to the top. We're just doing the real caked on parts. Tell you guys, super impressive stuff. It's very slick and it cleans very, very well. There is no worry about grinding this into the paint. It gets up there and gets in there to clean this stuff. These products are cool because, you know, every rinseless solution, waterless solutions, they use their own technology. Some are surfactants, some are polymers, and this one is Envoke. This company, they use a suspension technology, so it gets in and it actually lifts the dirt off the panels. Not an encapsulation, kind of something, but it lifts it off, and you know, not a sudsy solution where it's surfactant. This gets in there and lifts the dirt away from the panel, so when you come by and you wipe it, it just comes right off. So a suspension technology, very, very cool. Let's do another panel. All right, so as you can see, very dirty in the back here. Look at that, terrible. Remember guys, we are doing waterless wash. This is a ready-to-use product right here. This is not one of their concentrates. And this thing is crazy good. Wow. Look at this dirt right there. Let's go take a look here. Let's zoom you in. Fantastic. And just so you can see, here's the dirt starts. Nothing there. The dirt all around the top there. Look, you can see the dirt. And then where we cleaned. Very, very nice. All right, let's try this on the glass here. I remember this is a quick detailer. Adds a little bit of protection, a little bit of hydrophobics. And this is not the drying towel that I would use here. So let's just say I would use a short nap towel. But let's see how this goes. I mean, look at the dirt. That's a lot of dirt. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my short nap towel to wipe off any excess. I would always use a twisted loop or something short to clean off any residue left over. And this is exactly how I would do it if I wasn't filming. And it looks fabulous. Ooh. Very slick. Let me get my fingerprints off there. Let me show you guys the 50-50. All right, so you can see all the dirt. Maybe it works better from this way. Here, you can see all the dirt about right here. Look at that, fantastic. Beautiful. And I don't see any streaking right here where I didn't get to wipe. That's where you would see streaking But over here where I wiped it down, no issues. You can even see the writing on the window right there from Toyota. Fantastic. All right, guys, I'm going to show you. I'm just going to go over the rest of the hood here, play some music for you. All right, so everything's fantastic there. If you have a little bit of bird balm, let's give it a little spray. We'll let it sit. I've got a little bit of pollen. We'll give it a little spray, let it sit. Anything you see there, another little bird balm. The vehicle is clean, but we do have a couple little spots there, and all you do is just wet them, let them soak a little bit, and go back over them. We've cleaned off all the big amounts. There it is. So you just do a light, remember this is like a detail spray too, so look at the gloss on that. Man, fantastic, nice and clean. Let's feel it. Yep, feels really slick and smooth. Beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and finish both of these doors. All right, let's take a look. I didn't do the tops. I just want to giving you guys a nice, brand new, hot off the press video. Woo! It feels so good. All right, guys, and there you have it. It is Envoke's quick detailer and waterless wash ready to go over at envokecarcare.com.eu. Keep checking. I don't know when they're coming to the States. If you're in Australia, you can get it. This stuff is fire. And their rinseless washes are unbelievable. I will be coming up with some videos on their all new and ready to go Rinseless Wash Pro and Rinseless Wash Pro Plus SiO2 infused. Dude, this thing hits the market. You guys start getting your hands on it. Sayonara to the rest of your detailing rinseless wash products. Guys, let me know what you think of the video. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.